is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Johnny Nitafan, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you the exact way that I generate Facebook leads every single day that helps me over $10,000 every single week in actual deposits. I've been able to sell over $500,000 of life insurance premium completely over the phone. This is literally just to give away all the secrets, give you the exact way I'm able to do this, and how I get clients that are ready to buy every single day. With these exact leads, I've been able to make over $1,000 to $2,000 every single day deposits into my bank account. And here are the receipts just so you guys see right here. My goal is to be able to help you guys out, generate high quality leads at a low cost, at a 1/10 of what lead vendors would charge you. So in this video, I'm actually gonna be giving you a step-by-step walkthrough on how you can do the same and be getting Facebook leads without having to buy. I've been able to sell over $200,000 just in 2023 alone without buying a single lead. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with a friend if you find it valuable. I do wanna share a few things with you guys as well. This isn't gonna be the silver bullet, something that's all of a sudden you're gonna be making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. This is gonna be something that with the right sales process, you guys will be able to see the level of success that you desire. It comes with calling your leads within 5 minutes. It comes with an texting automation, sending an initial text right away, sending a client a text over 26 to 30 day window so that you can extract as much value as humanly possible from these leads, that you can get back in touch with these people even after they filled out the form. So it comes with a few different processes. However, if you really implement this and really are able to go step by step through this process, you'll be able to do the same thing as well. The whole goal is to get about 30 to 50 leads every single day so that you can close 1 to 2 and maybe even get to 3 policies every single day selling life insurance over the phone. My goal in making this exact video is to show you the step by step how I'm able to generate my own leads, not have to worry about buying leads from a vendor and hoping and praying that the lead is actually solid. Start taking marketing into your own hands by doing this. Now let's get into the video. First thing that you want to do when you come in here, you want to click create. And so you're an ads manager already. You go to leads, click continue. And then from here, I just put whatever the today's date is. So 5/23/2023. And I just put final expense campaign, and then no categories. Don't worry about touching that. You want to do leads, show options. You want to turn this advantage campaign budget on. That allows pretty much Facebook to distribute your money where it should go. So you go here, daily budget, start at 50. What you want to know here, and I didn't know this at first, your Facebook accounts can get capped at $50 a day, and mine got capped for about 3 weeks, just based on, I guess, the algorithm. There's no way, I guess, to hack it. I've talked to tons of marketers about this. You want to just put it at 50 and let it ride. It'll lift the cap on its own, but you just want to start at $50 a day. Let Facebook lift the spending cap. So you want to go here. The next thing you want to do is rename this. So what you want to do is, let's see here, final expense ads. So we got that as the ad set name, and then I go here, instant forms, which is awesome. And then you want to maximize for the number of leads. For here, I'm just gonna do insurance for seniors, and make sure to view the terms, agree to the terms. Awesome, so you continue on. You wanna start the next day at midnight. So you set it for the next day at midnight AM. I don't set an end date, and then show options, keep going. And then from here, you want to create a new audience. So here I put age. I actually start at 45, so just so I can get some younger clients as well. Sometimes they ask for term, so I just start at 45, go up to 65 plus. Stay there, all genders. Keep the advantaged detail on. So you want to make sure that this little box is turned on. And so then for the audience, and then from here, you go to locations, edit, and then you want to change this from people living or recently in to living. And the reason for this is because living will actually have the person in the state that they live in rather than them just passing through. If they're ever in, say, you're licensed in California, you're not licensed in Arizona, and the client goes to Arizona and they live in California, well, it could come in as an Arizona lead. So you just don't want that to happen. So you got that. People people living in. And so let's say I'm in California, and you want to do just California, US, and you want to type in all the states here. I recommend 10 to 20 states. Typically 15 to 20 states, you're going to get great lead costs. Obviously more than 20, I'm in like 25. So lead costs definitely can get a lot better from this. California, we'll say Texas, Hawaii, and so on and so forth. So you want to put the location in there, got that, and you want to drop all your states in there. So you want to click next. So from here, you want to obviously go insurance for seniors, and then you want to type this in, obviously it's to date, so 5/23/2023. I usually just put 5/23, so I want to do lead, and we'll just say casket. So lead casket, perfect. So got that. We obviously got the page already. Instagram, you just want to use the selected page. So we got the selected page. So now you want to go to the creative. So we're going to take this out, and then we are going to the creative. You're in Canva. This is a great place to, one, create your Facebook page. And I'm actually going to go over that now, just pretty much what you should do on that. Just keep it very simple. You want to just put like, hey, something with seniors. So senior life insurance, or you put insurance for seniors, or Arizona benefits, or Arizona senior care. As right here, you could see, I just like to keep it super simple. So I put this as a picture, as a profile picture, or whatever it is. That's in regards to the Facebook page. And then on here, I'm actually going to teach you the creative, and just keeping it very basic as well. So you want to go to create a design, and then go to Instagram post squares. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to go to elements. We're going to look up caskets. So the few that I would look at here, we have this one, which I actually really like. Then we have casket. I really like this one as well. We're going to make an ad with that. This one, so there's a bunch of different options, but you really just want to have we will start with this one right here. It's a very in-depth picture. And so the first thing that we're going to do after we get it nice and square and big is we are going to add a heading. So on the heading, we're going to keep it very simple. Seniors now qualify for up to 50,000 life insurance. We are going to move this up, change the font, League Spartan. What we're also going to do, change this color. Instead of that, we'll start with a blue. People love numbers. So you want to make this blue. So now we have that, and I'm going to expand this actually. Now, what we're going to do is from here, we're actually going to change the line spacing. So we're going to move it out a little bit. There we go. So it's very legible. I'm actually going to change the background of this as well. So you can change it. There's a yellow, there's an orange. I really like this orange here. I think it looks good. And so what you want to do from here, have different variations that you run in the same ad set. And I'm going to get to that here in a few minutes, but you want to change this color. So like orange, great. But then you want to test over and over and over again. So I wouldn't do this. What's nice is once you have the basic ad created, you just test on here. So maybe people like pink, maybe people like purple. I wouldn't run purple on blue, but like this, great color as well. It stands out. It's eye-catching. Orange as well. This light orange. Let's see here. And then I'm actually going to copy this. Let's see here. Copy and paste. So, and I'm going to bring this down here for my call to action. And I'm going to put tap learn more to see if you qualify. So now what I'm going to do, I have this. I'm going to change the color again, because you want the emphasis to be on learn more. So you got this, and move everything to. So now we have the basic ad created. I'm just going to make a little tweaks here, change the line spacing again, move that down a little bit, move this out. So now we have our basic ad. If you want to create a variation, it's very simple. You just click duplicate page. What I'll do here is I will run this. So now I have an orange one. Now say I want to add to this as well. Boom, duplicate page. Then we got different colors, and we add again.
And maybe we change this creative. Maybe we change it to this. There's lots of ways to do this, but you just want to create this basic use this framework of like call out your audience with this top part. Have a number in here somewhere. Make it like emphasize that, and then tap learn more. And you want to emphasize the learn more to see if you qualify. Enter ad name. We're gonna go date 5/25, and we're gonna go lead casket orange, just so we could track our sales and what's ads that we're getting these on. So we're gonna scroll down here. So we're gonna keep this ad copy. I really like this ad copy in here, and then the headline is going to be get coverage in minutes. What I like about this right here, what they see on this ad at first, this is called the ad copy. All they see is this, so they click learn more. Boom, they go in there and then they just click learn more. So what we have to do now is click add media. Click add media, upload, and then we want to upload these. So let's see. There we go. So now we should be able to upload that now. Here's now qualify. Boom, there we go. So click here, then we go, want to click original. So you want to keep all these pretty much in frame. So original, awesome, next, and done. So you got that. And so now what we got is we have attention seniors spending too much on life insurance. This new state regulated burial insurance is designed to pay 100% of funeral expenses for up to $50,000 for as little as $1 per day. You've been turned down for in the past. You already have insurance or on a fixed income. Click learn more to see if you qualify. So the call to action, it's going to start with like get quote or something. You want to change it to learn more. The copy saying tap learn more to see if you qualify. So we got that there. Learn more. So we're all set up here. Now what we want to do is we're actually going to leave description blank as well. And then we are going to go to create lead form. So what I want to do here is 5/25 final expense. So then from here we're going to change the, let's see here, we're going to keep that same image that we're running in the back. For the headline, we're going to put see if you qualify for $50,000 in life insurance coverage. So now from here, answer a few basic questions below. All right, so we're going to continue on. Questions. What I like to say here is please verify the information below is correct. We're going to get the phone, full name, phone number. We got the email. You get like their address, city, and state they're in. So now we're asking all these questions. If you want to make it a little bit more intense to where they have to actually manually add something in, you can definitely do that, whether that's beneficiary name, whether that's their high school mascot, whether that's whatever niche you're picking here, you can definitely do. You can add that, but I'm just going to leave it. Honestly, what I like to do as well is just to get more people to talk to is I just get full name, email, phone number, and state. And this is where, just because I really believe in creating the flow. So I'd rather have more leads to talk to than less, even if they're a little bit more inexpensive. Then we go to policy to look up free privacy policy generator, and it'll pop up there. All you do is click company name, website name, and website URL. It'll pop up a privacy policy generator and you'll be on your way. So all I want to put right here though in this. All right, so now what we're gonna do is after we have the link, you want to click that, put the link in there, and then the link to the text, you are going to put terms and conditions for, and then your business name or whatever it is, right? So you want to put, there we go. We're going to go to message leads. And this is what's nice here is you can do a lot of things with this here. Right here, you want to send them to a landing page of some sort. This is all extra. This is all icing on the cake. So you could send them to a landing page. You can send them to literally book on your calendar and get pre-booked appointments. There's a lot of different things that you can do from here. Even call business. You can set up live transfers. That's a little bit higher of an ask. What I like to do is say, congrats, you are pre-approved. What I do here is very last step, the most important one. And then I just say, click the link below to book a call to receive your benefits. Click the link below to book a 4-minute call to receive your benefits. So click the link below to book a 4-minute call to receive your benefits. I'm going to put my calendar link in here so I get some pre-booked appointments. And the call to action is view website or get your benefits now. All right, so you want to add a disclaimer. So when you add the disclaimer, you want to put terms and conditions for insurance for seniors or whatever your page is. I don't know exactly what to do, but this is what I've done. And this is pretty much what you do need to know for this to start running your ad here. But by opting in, you consent to receive emails, text messages, and calls. So now we got that, and now we publish. So you want to go down here and click publish. I can't because I don't have the links in there, but you want to click publish and then do this last step. Awesome. So your first ad is officially running. Now what you want to do is, or it's scheduled at least, give it a little bit to get approved, and then it will. And then what you want to do now is you want to quickly duplicate the same one, but instead of doing orange, we're going to do green. So what's nice here is I'm actually giving away these creatives in my Facebook group. So if you haven't already, click the link down below and apply to my Facebook community. I actually already have given these away, and I'm giving them away to people who are in there. So we're gonna change this to 525 lead casket green. Take that out. We're going to keep the same everything. We're going to add image, and then we are going to upload, move this up, and enter this. So now all you do is when it loads, you select it, click next, and you want to make sure that people can see this, because if you just leave it like where it's recommended, they don't see anything. So you want to click original, boom. So next, and done. So now you have, and it's going to have the same lead form and everything. So now you click publish. Now you have 2 ads. I would just put all the same pictures in here and just run them all. Or what you can do is split test. So that's a little bit more complex, but you can split test to where you can check, hey, does a green one perform better, or does the orange perform better? So you can put these in 2 different ad sets because they're 2 different creatives, and you can test and see which one gets better leads, but gets higher quality clients, and you continue to build on there.
So now that you completed all of that, you are finally ready to start generating your own Facebook leads. Typically it takes about 1 to 2 hours to accept, get ready to go, and you should be able to get your first leads from this. A high volume, lots of leads, high intent at a low cost. And this is the exact way that I've been able to make over 6 figures in like 4 months doing this exact same thing. So I really hope this helps. If you guys want those ads, go down, click the link down below to apply to the Facebook community. And if you're really serious and really wanting to improve your sales tactics, obviously get the creatives for this and start generating your own leads, definitely do that as well. I hope to see you guys in there. I really want to help you guys out with this content, so I hope this helped. Drop in the comments down below and let me know what you thought of this. If this helped you out and you're actually on your way to making tons more money, increasing your profitability, lowering your lead costs, and literally firing your lead vendor. So if you haven't already, subscribe down below so that you don't miss another video just like this.